What's good? It's your favourite internet scoundrel, Tommy Touge, back from home. Struck out to pick up Dowling. Sick mixtape, bruh. Sheesh! And where is he? Whatever could he be doing? Oh, we got a bathroom light. Oh, he's not naked! What a disappointment. But he looked, wowee, what the hell?
To my crib.
Look at that fresh, damn! We gotta go do shit. As ever, never ever prepared for anything. I'm probably gonna put coilovers in my car like, what, day and a half before track day? Yeah, it's probably gonna be bad. Oh.
Get out of my face with the camera, man!
Let's just take a moment to appreciate the shave on the lad.
Look, mate, fashion doesn't come naturally to everyone.
Amazing.
Right? Fashion ain't easy.
Where's the eyebrows at, mate? Do it. Mixtape dropping 2020. Amazing. So, my other coilovers are shagged. And not the good kind.
So, here's Paddy's underwear instead.
Wait,
Here's
also,
Patrick fingering his underwear.
they're only brand new. They're only 3 weeks old. He wears them out.
I
So
mean,
we're
I'm
gonna steal
fingering.
the BCs out of this bad boy and actually set them up properly. Shout outs to special who you know who. If you ever watch this, I'm calling you out on that one. We're gonna steal the BCs out of this. Hopefully they kind of fit and work. And also, I'll insert a scene right here of the really sick, cool gas strut that doesn't actually gas strut. But it came from a hill climb car, so it wouldn't be a problem, would it? It wouldn't be held up with tape and the whole sleeve not be fucking useful at all. I'm not angry. Super good. The old tape. Tape on the base. Wee. Wee. Hill climb car. Climbing hills. Yeah, delicious. And then the grand finale. Hill climb car. The reason I started this. Just this.
That fucking bling, boys. We are out here. 2K19, Fast and Furious.
Paddy, you gotta take a dump, apparently. Hey, Paddy, where are your jack stands before you take a shit? No. Stop drinking beer and taking shits.
Right there. Dickhead. Literally. Right there.
Fuck. Oh, there's another one though. Dude, I'm missing one. Look around. There's 2 there. There was the other fucking big one.
What colours?
Oh, no, there's a big old orange
Grey
one.
one's over there. There's an orange one here.
Yeah, well, I released my valves and I started fixing it. Now I'm here to take shit. Fucking squashy one too.
Please tell me you're seeing this.
Well, it's all on camera, so yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Oh no, I started releasing my bed. What a gentleman.
I hope that's right in the right spot.
It's definitely on the radiator support.
We are getting some action camera angles here.
Hold it, go back here. We're gonna do something majestic.
What?
You're gonna have those action shots again. Just gotta get to the other side of the car, you know?
Oi, nah, put your hard hat on. Before you work on the car, put your
Sorry.
fucking hard hat on, mate. That's, no, up there.
Oh, sorry.
Up there. Up the top.
Yeah, of course.
Safety first, mate.
Yeah.
Always safety first.
Safety is always a key priority here. You don't want to get flies out in your eyes, alright?
Dick link.
Wait, that's safety first.
Oh, I almost got free food. That dude almost delivered it to the wrong house. He started walking up the driveway and he's just like, nope.
It's because he's got a heart hat.
No. Western spaghetti.
Oh, sorry. We use primitive technology here for superior outcomes.
You go high, boss.
No, you don't. Just put it on the control arm.
It's 2019 and you have electricity. You still use the Zippo. Fuck.
In 2019, we can just jack it right there.
Wait, no, fuck off with that technology stuff, mate. Right here.
Oh, sorry.
It's Zippo time. Right here?
Yeah, that would do. Oh, I'm just going for a nice Sunday drive. Hey, how you going there, mate?
Oh.
No.
Hey, what's up?
Nice to see you. You missing a few items there, mate?
Oh, yeah. My aircon is gone. It's...
Oh, wow. I mean,
yeah, and...
probably still gets pretty breezy in here, though, huh?
Yeah. Oh, windows.
Nice stiff suspension there, and, you know, don't want you breaking a sweat or anything. You know, you're nice and rugged up.
Yeah.
Well, you have a nice day, sir.
Alright, you too.
Well, see you, mate.
See ya.
Trying to get you hard, mate. Just look at the majestic jumper, though. Forget everything else. What you do is you pick this end on it. Sounds shady. Still on the phone, still doing work. Talking about buying cars
Yeah.
while working on cars.
Sounds a bit shady. Why would you buy a car and sell it 2 days later?
Meta as
Appreciate it.
fuck. Winner chicken dinner. You right there, mate? But you got a coilover out.
Oh, it didn't feel nice. 17 out of 10, don't recommend.
What year's your Civic? Oh, wrong coilovers. These are 92 to 95.
Oh,
You're breaking the law, mate.
are you silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Wow.
How good? 2 coilovers that hopefully should work.
Sucks. So many cogs. Where are they located again?
At the top. Bit lower. Bit lower.
Sorry, this is like the 10th time.
No, that's not good.
So these are not going to fit my car. A lot of shafting. But Patrick's lucky day because they need to be set up properly anyway. So we're going to rip them out and set them up. And we're finally going to see Patrick smile.
Wait, I wonder if Haskell's got any of the top LCA thing.
Bottom box.
Achieve anything. And be able to freaking undo the last nut.
So I can get this set of coils out. It's going to be worth it because this car actually kind of sucks to drive a bit. Get the front set up properly. loosen it up. That's pretty important. Boom. Got it there. Should pretty much fall out. Pull it out. Pulls out. Alright, so all the coils are out of this. The back ones just sat in there because they're no use to me with how it is. I'm not taking control arm out. I can't be bothered dealing with that. Don't really have the time. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow to get ready for track day, like get the trailer out, all that sort of crap. We're gonna see if Dowling's Cerex rears should come out. They should be an eyelet 4 type, so we'll probably take them out tomorrow and try and make that work. Worst case, I'm just gonna send it. I'm not really that fussed about it. I mean, it is what it is. We're just gonna go have fun anyway. It doesn't really matter to me. Yeah. So I'm sure you'll see more of that in a bit, but that's where we're at for now.